Welcome to Brackets Fantasy 2026, the world's first crypto-native FIFA World Cup fantasy league, built on Solana. If you're watching this, you've won. Let's get you paid. Head over to the My Teams page by clicking your profile or the navigation menu. This is your personal dashboard where all your squads live. See that green banner at the top? That means you're a confirmed winner. It'll show you exactly which round you won, your position, and your prize amount in USDC. Click the blue Claim Winning button to open the KYC verification form. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a one-time identity check required before we can send your prize to your Solana wallet. Your data is stored offline in a secure database and never shared. EA passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Drag and drop it right into the upload box, or click to browse your files. Step 2. Take a live selfie directly in the app using your camera. Hit Start Camera, look straight at the lens, and press Capture Photo. Make sure your face is well lit and clearly visible. Blurry images will be rejected and you'll need to resubmit. Once both are uploaded, hit Submit and you're done. Our team will review your KYC within 48 hours and you'll receive an email confirmation once approved. That's it. Welcome to the winner's circle. Good luck to everyone still in the tournament, and we'll see you on the leaderboard. That's it. Welcome to the winner's circle. Good luck to everyone still in the tournament, and we'll see you on the leaderboard. Like and subscribe to our channel for more Nested Labs web app tutorials.